Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is me Amara and this is my friend Nandini. You would have seen her in my previous video. And welcome to Amy's Junction. And today we're gonna be doing recreating Instagram pictures of famous TikTokers. And you've chosen
Jaden Bartels.
for me, and I have chosen Dixie D'Amelio for
me.
Nandini. So without any further ado, let's get started.
It's the side.
No, that's it.
Okay.
The outfit, I'm very excited for this one because I have like really similar things. So for the top she's wearing this black, white and yellow top which I almost have the same. Then she's wearing a denim jacket which is right here. Just a second. A denim jacket. Then she has two clips which is orange and blue. Then actually I had whites, I painted them blue and orange. The orange came out, so I have to repaint it. But yeah, perfect. And then she's wearing a choker, pink choker, which I don't have, but I have this. You pull it and then it becomes a bow. It's that. It's on my neck. I'm really excited. So I'll be right back when I change my clothes. This is how I look. My clips here. And I really feel like a dog in this thing. And yeah, so let's click the picture. Try to create the background. Obviously I'm not good at art, so please don't mind that. I'm really bad. I tried to create something and this is how it looks. Yeah. So now it is time for showing Nandini my picture number 1. And I don't know if I can show it to her. But here you go.
This is so good. Amara, I'm not showing my pictures. She told me you are a pig.
No, actually this one was like okay, but others were like,
she looks exactly like Jaden Bartels. Literally. And this is your worst photo.
no,
This is your best photo.
I guess, I don't know.
You guess? Oh my god.
Look at the background.
It
I
doesn't matter. It looks so good.
So how much do you rate me?
8.5 out of 10. I'm telling
Maybe
you, I don't want to.
said
She told. So guys, in this photo, she is wearing a black top and golden earrings. So I have this black top and I also have golden hoops. They are not as big as Dixie's, but I have them so they'll work. And then she's wearing winged eyeliner, and I don't know how to put winged eyeliner because like I never wear winged eyeliner. I always put up like normal eyeliner. So it would be a big struggle to put that, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is a photo that I copied.
Okay.
Right? And I'm so stressed.
Nandini's reaction.
This is my first photo.
Oh, nice. She actually has dimples, so that is fine, but it is nice, you know?
No, this is not. And let me tell you, now you can judge me. This is my best photo. So now you can judge me how like the other photo is.
Yeah, where is it?
I don't know, like this was clicked by Viral.
Yeah.
So like I was wearing it and I
It's
told
just
him,
that the call. I mean, I don't know.
I told him to like show like tell me if like one of the hoops is not coming. He did not tell me anything.
It's okay. It's nice. You know what? It's really, you know.
And this sunlight thing also came.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
Okay, I'll rate you 7.5.
Now you should like literally.
You're
Okay.
no. You have to rate yourself as well.
I will literally rate this like a 5.
It's actually nice. Your posture is so fun. No, it's not exactly the same, but this is what I have, and also her sleeves are like bigger than mine. But I have these one only. I can't do anything about it. And yeah, then these are my glasses I'm gonna wear. These are not the front sides. So what I'm gonna try and do is put chalk on the sides. I've already put like yeah, focused. So a bit, but I'm gonna put like the whole thing on it. So, yeah, my outfit, and I'm gonna make my hairstyle and be right back. I look so funny, and this took me 2 hours to get, and still it's not perfect. I look so funny. I know why I've been like recreating this, but now that I've chosen it, I have to do it. So let's click a pic. I have a picture number 2, and I'm really embarrassed to show this one because I look so funny. Oh, you look so cute. No, I don't. It's like she's so serious and I'm smiling like a joker. And I really like
that was the problem with me also. Like when I copied Dixie's photo, all in like the photo which I like showed just now, that was the only photo in which she was smiling. Like others were like so serious. So like when I made a serious face, I looked like a ghost.
Yeah, that I know. I also took a serious one because I was looking so funny. Then I like said I'll smile only because.
But yeah, your pictures. You told me that she is a very big. She like we were texting
I don't like my
and
pictures.
we were texting and she was like, you are definitely going to win because like all of my pictures are like very bad.
I don't know how
she
you
told
take
me that and like, oh my
these
god,
are
I
bad.
don't want to show.
There is the next
The
picture.
hairstyle, I like the hairstyle.
Oh, I want a story. This hairstyle, because the same day I washed my hair, so this hairstyle like took 3 hours. And literally 3 hours. My mom was exhausted and I was exhausted by like, I thought I'm gonna drop, then finally I got like a little bit. It's not really
She's
nice.
so cute. So I'm going to date.
Do you can see these glasses? I put chalk on the glasses to make it
What?
look like a transparent.
God, you have done so much hard, like so much work.
Only on the first two, maybe. Oh, the next picture.
I'm not seeing the next picture. Yeah, you look so good. You look exactly like her.
My bag.
I earlier also I told her like that you look like Jaden Bartels. That's the reason.
Okay,
why
now
I
it's your turn. Give me the points. Okay, I'm gonna give myself 6. Next.
So guys, in the photo basically Dixie is lying on a bed and there is wooden flooring and some curtains behind her. So earlier I thought that the photo would be very easy to copy, but then later I realized that there are no curtains in my house. Like there are blinds but no curtains in my house, so I can actually not copy the photo. But later then I figured it out how to copy the photo, and it is a very rough setup, but I'll just show you what happened. Guys, this is the setup. So this is the only place in my house where I have curtains. So like this is the garden area and this is curtains coming, and this is the table which looks like a wooden floor kind of thing. So I placed a pillow and a blanket kind of thing over it to look.
Please show me your picture number 3.
I look horrible. So this is the photo.
Okay.
See, I told you like she's serious in all of her photos.
Yeah, it's difficult to copy them.
I look so horrible.
How did you get the background?
Okay, so there is a story behind it. So there is like I don't have curtains in my house. Like everywhere there are blinds. So there was only like one place in my house which had curtains. So and there were what I did was like that I put like a big brown table like this, like on which we are sitting.
Yo.
And then I had like covered a pillow with a blanket and then I like put it.
No, I mean the curtain.
I colored them like while editing.
Wow. Okay.
And let me tell you, like I asked my brother to click my photo and he was not able to get that photo like in 50 tries. And then
how can you make the pose so the same ditto same pose?
And like this is clicked by my grandma.
Really?
Yes. Like I asked my brother and he was like I cannot do this, and then my grandma came in and she was like, should I click it? I was obviously not confident of her photography.
The pose is so perfect. I mean, I cannot get the pose perfect. But I
look horrible.
I'm gonna give you 7.5.
I'm going to give myself like a 5.5.
So this is my outfit for picture number 3. So that's the top, a red check top. Actually it's a shirt, but it's okay. Then I have my black pants here. She has a navy blue, I guess. I also have navy blue, but I feel that won't look good. Then I have a scrunchie here. She's also wearing a scrunchie in one of her hands and some accessories. I'll see what I'll wear any of these. Then white shoes. But these are not the white shoes I'm gonna wear, just to show you guys, because I couldn't find those ones which I will wear with this outfit. Those like are plain. I don't have this. So, yeah. I'm kind of happy with the stuff I have for this outfit. So let's get ready. So here I am in my outfit. She was like, her hair are really small and mine are long. Her are curled, mine are not. And I don't know, this is gonna go good. And also I changed, I'm not wearing those pants, I'm wearing normal black jeggings. So we'll see how this goes. Let's go. It is again my turn. And here's picture number 3.
Oh my god. Am
No.
I like,
Look at the tree. I regret.
first of all, let me tell you, I've never seen her pose like this. Like I've never seen her pose like whenever she never clicks her photos like.
And this also took like many hours. I was like taking a picture and going, because I was taking this like outside, so it was kind of embarrassing.
It's so good, yeah.
I actually took 100 pictures of this.
Wow. It's only about the background, but you
Yeah.
look so good. How did you put this?
From some app I edited.
Oh, this is edited.
Yeah.
Oh,
You thought this was real?
I'm going to literally. I am losing.
When I'm
this
not
thing.
in the same pose.
And
I'm
yeah,
white shoes visible?
so
No, my white shoes are
no,
not
they're
visible.
not. But I'm so surprised because she never clicks. Like whenever we
And
go
look
somewhere.
at that scrunchie.
Oh my god, she has like taken every single detail.
Yeah, I like it.
I've done so much work. If I would be especially that glass one. I also don't have like that same glasses that she is wearing. That
Yeah,
is, like,
then I thought I
transparent,
would
guess.
put chalk. So.
So if I would have got that photo, I would have just worn black
Okay, now
glasses.
give me the point. Oh, did you?
I did not. Kasam.
Okay, now give me the point. I'm really excited.
Okay, so like based on the background, maybe.
Yeah, background I'm going to do, because I cannot
And
go down.
maybe the hair.
Yeah, hair.
You don't know how to short. Like,
No, I
make your
tried
hair
because
short.
that was looking funny. So.
Actually, my mother does it all the time for me. I'll give it like a 7.5.
Yeah, I'm gonna give myself 7.
Okay.
Okay, now your turn.
So guys, in the third photo, Dixie is outside. I think so it is the Hype House. I guess it is the Hype House. So she's outside and there are like trees and everything like behind her, and then she is basically in a ponytail and is wearing a jean jacket. So I just wore a jean jacket with a black slip. This is actually my father's jean jacket, so it is oversized. So I'm going to take the photo right now.
Now,
So
Nani's turn.
embarrassing. Okay, so this
I'm
is the
excited.
photo that I copied,
Okay.
and
This is so nice.
I think
you recreated that background.
Ah.
You recreated it.
see this is the picture
so
where
perfect. This is so perfect.
I look so bad. I can
but
guarantee you that my poses are good, but
Look
like
at your jacket. It looks like you're wearing her jacket. And like,
it is actually my father's.
really?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 8.5.
What?
Yeah,
I
look
really
so
like this bad. And like I clicked this photo like in my garden, but then I ended up sticking myself onto that photo.
Okay, so now rate yourself.
I rate myself like a 6.5.
Why 6.5? So number 3, which is the easiest. So in that so the picture in that she's wearing a white shirt, which I'm wearing already, and then she has a bun. So I've made a bun, but I'm gonna remake it because it's not really nice. So I'll be right back when I'm done. Now it's time for picture number 4, which is the worst picture of all, and really funny. No, there's nothing to do. But this is
God.
my least.
I don't want to show my last picture.
No, if I would put like this lipstick on this one, then
No, it is better without lipstick. You look like a ghost. And
Yeah.
she edited it 2 times in one
I added
photo.
blue
she
eyes
added
and
blue eyes and pink lipstick, and I'm like, you look like literally you look like you don't look
Okay.
like a ghost, but you look like that
yeah,
Annabelle
now
doll.
give me the cons.
Oh my god, this is so accurate. Only like the hair, her bun
Yeah,
is like a very.
so that is the same day I put, like made that bun these two one. So I washed my hair so I couldn't get the bun. So also look at this actually was an accident. And you can also look at my earring a little bit. I don't know.
So you can look at her earring also.
Yeah, but not very clear.
This
But
is so good. I don't want to show my last picture. I was
no,
just.
wait, I'm gonna get over with it finally.
I'll give it like maybe because of the background only I'll shade.
Yeah, bad. No.
And maybe like the lighting because like you can see a lot
Yeah,
of
that
it
is
on
what
the
I was
face.
saying. The lighting is really nice.
What should I give?
You can give me anything I want.
Like a 7.
7? No, it is like 6. I'll give
7.
6. Guys, I'm gonna pick some really funny.
Okay, the guys, thank you.
So in this, Dixie is wearing a white shirt, I guess. So I'm wearing a white shirt, and she has like a silver like necklace kind of thing. So I'll just wear that. It's like a chain kind of thing, and then she is in front of a wall which has like paintings. So like I don't have exactly a wall like that, but I do have a wall which have like many paintings on it, and like the frame are like similar to them. I don't know.
And the last picture
Can
of
we
the day.
shoot the outro? I don't want to shoot. So this is the picture that I copied. Like
Ooh, she's wet. No. Right?
please don't put that on the screen.
Oh, why have to? That is the final sound.
I have not edited this photo. Like I did not. Just look at it. This is the most
Why is it so close up?
because I cropped the picture because
Background is nice. I mean, she also has pictures and now you also have pictures.
this
Good
is the
job on
worst
that.
photo.
No, it is.
I did not edit this photo at all. Like at.
Your
I-
shirt is nice. You can take like a little bit more of your shirt part. I don't know what to give. 6.
What?
I feel like giving. I want to give more, but I don't know why. 6. No, 7. I don't know what to. 6.5.
I would like give it like a 3.
6.5.
3 because like this is the
Because your
worst
shirt
photo.
is nice, your hair are fine, but why
My
is your face
hair
so
are not
closed up?
fine. It
No,
was
your hair are
because
fine.
of
Your
hair
hair
on-
are- and also
You know,
background
There,
is
there
nice.
was one thing like on the first day I needed straight hair and like my hair were like all curly and wavy. And today I thought that this would be the best picture because like I have literally curly and wavy hair. And when I opened my hair, it came like all straight. I was
And you
like,
know
what
what?
is
I have to
happening?
tell you, I gave a Zendaya to copy, and then like no, that she's like a modern. That is really difficult.
I literally chose Jaden Bartels and like I'm not saying anything like I'm not comparing Zendaya and Jaden, but I want to say that Jaden's photos like are casual
Yeah,
and Zendaya is a model. And all
then I
of
thought
our
of
photos
changing,
like
because
having
it might be
makeup,
really
extreme level
difficult.
of makeup.
Dixie and Emilio was so difficult then. So yeah, that is all. Finally we're over with it. For so many weeks we're doing this. So hope
This
you
was a
liked the
struggle.
video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out. Bye.